Yabona i-business yona if ungayibheka i-competition, just like impilo i-competition. So like some people, they expect to win good business babe banga compete. It's impossible, that thing. Like ngibone video yomunye umjita osemon frere ocomplaina ngokuthi amakula aqale eyawo ibakery, ubabakhe wayeqale ibakery kudala yayenza imali. Excuse me. So manje ibakery ayisenzi imali because amakula so I take over. Nama comment akhona mangithi ngiyalalela ngiyezwa kuthiwa hayi ama South African a supporta amakula, si supporta amakula, asupportani sisodwa. Ya kona mawuyibheka yona ungayibheka ngathi iqinisa into enjalo ubelievele kiyo, kodwa okunto wrong leyo, okunto wrong. Ibusiness kwamele si analyze ngokwasencwadini, because vele the basic knowledge oyitholayo ngebusiness usase primary, if unga apply yona ku business ungawina. I-business i-competition, noma ngabe kuliphi i-business i-competition. So amakula I-understand i-business bayakompita ngempela. So mawuhlangana nomuntu okompitayo wena ububheke ukuthi abantu bazokusupporta just because bakini, then i-risk lento leyo for i-business lakho, because there is no way you can prosper, my brother, uthengisa into ngeprice high, umuntu kamakhelwane ayithengisa ngeprice low, nibe nithenga endaweni eyi-1 nonke. There is no way. Like mina I don't believe ukuthi ukhona umfana ongabuya kuma village le eintabeni, because amakula abuya le eintabeni le kuma village bayalusa labantu, bayasenga, benza ini bayafika bayangithola mina ngukasi boy, ngiya operator la kasi, ngaza ama product wonke, bese bafika bayangibhitha ku business. It's impossible, that thing. But if mina ngijwayele ukuthi vele ama price ama high, bazongibhitha vele, bazongibhitha, because ngishiye ispace ku business. I-business competition thina when it comes to i-business, ngoba mawufuna ukubona ukuthi i-business liyasihlula, like even ema-shop la sisebenza khona, you go to a jet, understand, umuntu uzokunikeza a stinking attitude aba asebenza. You go to a boxer, umuntu uzokunikeza a stinking attitude. So the way senza ngakhona ema-shop is the way senza ngakhona mangabe senza ama-business wethu. I-business lifuna ukuthi umuntu umncenge, funa ukuthi umncenge umuntu, ikhona izinto umuntu la ngamncengi khona, mara khona kokunye la kumele ukuthi umncenge khona umuntu. Asikho isidingo sokuthi umuntu mangabe azothenga ishop yakho afike akumemeze. Already vele out wena, if unomuntu kamakhelwane uyahamba uyothenga kumuntu. Umuntu uyafika eshop yakho ufuna ushukela omncane, akawutholi ushukela omncane, uyahamba uye emakuleni. Ucabanga ukuthi umuntu mangabe afika kayi3 kuwe eshop yakho afuna into angayitholi, okwesifo usazobuya noma uzoya la aya khona mangatholi izinto eshop yakho. I-business competition bafowethu, and if usiyacompete ku business ngiyakutshela amakula angeke azasishaye. If usiyacompete ku business fully angeke azasishaye. Mina ngibelieve ukuthi ngingahlula ikula ku business. It's not making sense, that thing, because most yalezi zinto even abenza amalona abazifekayo la Mzansi izinto ezingekho ema country nabo. So cabanga ibhari yasuka ibuya le maplazini yafika la Mzansi izofeka something wena okhule uyidla, uhambe wona uyisupporta futhi lento leyo uyithenge uyiconsume. So you can't blame abantu ngalento leyo. But ku business general mangabe uthi ufuna ukuwina kwamele ucompete. Ku business awuwini ngokuthi unegazi elihle, ungahamba inyanga wenze wenze ini. I-business ngeke uzuwine ungacompete. Ungahamba eCongo, uhamba eNigeria ufuna umuntu ostrong, so lanke price yakhe high angeke uzuwine ku business. So lanke product yakho ungasi the best angeke uwine ku business. So lanke kwenza labantu i-attitude nanga bazothenga ku business lakho angeke uzuwine. So lanke si apply siza abantu ngalendlela sibasiza ngakhona ema-shop angeke uzuwine ku business. So lanke usiza abantu ngathi usebenza eboxer, so lanke usiza abantu ngathi usebenza ema-shop njengani nje la kusebenza khona abantu abamnyama general, understand, because akhona amanye ama-shop offer best service in South Africa, like iWoolworths, it used to offer best service in terms of customer service eSouth Africa. But if uLwethu ozoyithola elokishini uzothola iservice yaselokishini. So usazobuyela kule uLwethu leyo angeke uzobuyela. If umuntu oyijwayele customer service uzoya kule uLwethu le ozothola khona the best service. It's all about that. The price is very important ku business. The way you deal na customer akho ngakhona is very important ku business. Lo bhuti oseMonfrere ngicela ukuthi ehlise iprice esinkwa sakhe abantu bazoyithenga. Within 3 months ibusiness lakhe lizophakama. In terms of money, he's going to make more money than he was making before because he's competing now, you understand? There's nothing like ukuthi hayi bafikile now they've taken over business. There's no one who support Amakula ngoba uyawathanda. Abantu ba support Amakula because the price yawo is right. So if now uza ne price right, abantu bazokusupport nazi. Asiyeke ukucomplain ngazo zonke izinto ezabantu base South Africa. Asiyeke ukucomplain. Amakula noma ngawakhipha sizosala ne sticking attitude emabhizinisini. If Amakula aphuma, sala sine problem eSouth Africa. Siyafisa ukuthi aphuma Amakula mara Amakula awaphume nathi sibe capable ukuthi singarana ama business singacompete. Angeke wenze business just because une shop wena, just because sekumele uthengise just because une shop. It's not making sense that thing my brother. You have to compete. That's business. Hamba encwadini uyothola ukuthi ibusiness liyini. Ngeke ukucomplain.